Hello, classmates. Today we continue to explain Project 4. This task will be explained in 2 key points. This time, let's learn about the on-site commissioning of wind turbine units together. Last time we learned about the commissioning project of the wind turbine workshop. Therefore, we know that whether it is workshop debugging or on-site debugging, the purpose of the commissioning of wind turbine generators is to orderly combine all the components of the generator in actual operation. The work of making it consistent. This ensures that the unit can operate safely, for a long time, stably and efficiently. Then let's continue to learn about the on-site commissioning of wind turbine units today. On-site debugging includes 3 debugging items: static, no-load, and grid connection debugging. We are conducting on-site commissioning at the wind power plant and must operate strictly in accordance with the requirements. Unauthorized and arbitrary operation is prohibited. At least 2 people must form a group, monitor each other's security status, and conduct debugging. Remember your duties and rights. Do not operate beyond your authority. Take up your post after clarifying your tasks. We need to complete the following tasks before debugging. First, it is necessary to confirm that the on-site installation has been completed and the mechanical assembly has been finished. The electrical wiring has been properly connected. All the connecting bolt groups have been pre-tightened, and it was recorded on the relevant inspection form. Then, before energization, the electrical appliances should be inspected. Complete all the contents in the electrical appliance inspection. Confirm the grounding of each system and the grounding of lightning protection devices. The interface insulation resistance and the insulation to ground of each cable all meet the requirements. The above 2 preparatory works before debugging must be ensured to be completed. Only then can we officially start the next step of debugging work. First, conduct static debugging. The purpose of static commissioning is to ensure the correct operation of the independent functions of each component of the wind turbine. The method of static debugging is similar to that of workshop debugging. However, on site, the frequency converter, water cooling system, and generator, etc. need to be debugged separately. Here is a special reminder. Although static debugging has similarities with workshop debugging methods, the debugging process cannot be skipped at will. Work needs to be completed carefully in accordance with the task requirements. Since the frequency converter has been debugged separately during the static debugging and during the no-load test, since there is no need for the inverter to be connected to the grid, so in the no-load test, it is sufficient to complete the power supply of the entire machine and the no-load of the generator. When the wind turbine is idling, all components are in harmony. After a period of time, it is fine if the idle running still remains safe and effective. After the idling test is completed, the grid connection test can be carried out. During this process, it is essential to ensure that all parts are in an automatic operation state when the entire machine is powered on. The frequency converter and the subsequent generator maintain the stability of the output electrical energy. Of course, the entire process from then on is dynamic and stable. At this point, we have completed the on-site commissioning part of the wind turbine, and completed the installation and commissioning learning of all wind turbine generators. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.